Imagine a world where AI quietly runs your entire YouTube channel. In late 2025, industry analysts found that top creators were producing 200 to 300 videos monthly as solo operations, with artificial intelligence handling nearly all of the production work. Even YouTube's biggest star, Mr. Beast, admitted these are scary times for creators as AI looms large. Veteran YouTubers are now competing not just with each other, but with invisible AI teams cranking out content at lightning speed. Creators from every niche, gaming to education, are getting a wake-up call. Every step of video creation, thumbnails, ideas, scripts, editing, analytics, is already being automated by AI. In this video, we'll expose exactly how AI is taking over the creator workflow. We'll cover each stage of production, from thumbnail design to scripting, from storytelling hooks to editing, all the way through analytics and A/B testing, and show the tools behind the takeover. Expect hard data and real examples. We'll profile top creators, Think Media, Ryan Trahan, Mr. Beast's team, etc., who have quietly integrated AI into their channels, quote YouTubers who have been blindsided by AI efficiency, and even reveal forecasts about AI adoption in 2026. By the end, it'll be clear, if you're not racing to adopt these AI shortcuts, your channel may already be falling behind. One way to see the AI impact at a glance is this quick table of tools versus uses. Later, we'll dive into each category in detail. Creating clickable thumbnails used to be a graphic design art. Now, it's mostly a text prompt and a click away. Modern image AIs like Google's Nano Banana Pro, Gemini 3 Pro, can generate polished 4K visuals with readable text on demand. Meanwhile, pros like David Altizer use tools such as Midjourney and DALL-E 3, often driven by ChatGPT prompts, to sketch thumbnail concepts in seconds. Altizer actually says, "I'm using Midjourney and ChatGPT to do my mockups. Then it'll just start to spit up and generate stuff using DALL-E. That's my way into storyboarding." Once the AI whips up a rough thumbnail, he refines it in Photoshop and then runs it through Magnific AI to upscale and add crisp detail. The net effect, what took hours of design, now takes minutes. Altizer admits he now pays upwards of $80 a month on AI tools alone, and his clients' thumbnails are clicking through and retaining better than ever. The pre-production spark is also shifting to AI. Chatbots like GPT-4, ChatGPT are widely used to brainstorm video topics, outline talking points, even draft full scripts. Think Media and other big channels post videos showing how they write scripts insanely fast with ChatGPT by feeding it prompts. New niche tools like Sandcastles.ai take it further by scraping millions of videos to suggest proven hooks and story structures. Sandcastles, for example, handles the heavy lifting of idea research and script writing, so creators can write viral video scripts in seconds. Early users report massive savings. One neuroscience creator says Sandcastles saved me honestly days worth of work in research and scripting. In short, the research and write phase that used to take hours is now often a one-click AI-powered answer. This means top YouTubers, from Think Media to Ryan Trahan's team, can focus on shooting and refining, while AI spins up the draft blueprint in minutes. Getting a viewer to stick around is all about the hook and pace. AI analytics are now identifying exactly what keeps people watching. New predictive tools analyze tens of thousands of videos to flag retention dips in your script before you even record. For instance, a recent industry guide notes that we've entered an era where AI can predict retention dips before you publish by evaluating your intro, hook phrases, and pacing. In practice, this might mean an AI assistant warns you your script's first 15 seconds are too slow, try a stronger hook. Sandcastles similarly offer proven storytelling frameworks and millions of high-engagement hook templates tailored to your niche. Plus, YouTube's own analytics has gotten smarter. The new Ask Studio feature lets creators query their data in plain language, like, "Why did my last video retention drop at 30 secs?" The bottom line is that every second of viewer data is now fed back into content strategy via AI, turning gut feel into data-backed storytelling. As one analytics report puts it, AI can highlight exactly where people tune out so you can tighten your first 10 seconds or adjust pacing. This optimization loop keeps audiences glued in, which means better average view duration and more algorithmic promotion. When it comes to post-production, even editing is being outsourced to AI. Tools like Wisecut, trusted by more than 1 million creators, automatically slice and polish videos in minutes. Its AI sifts through your footage to find those viral-worthy snippets and auto-cuts out dead air, auto-adds subtitles, zoom-in transitions, and even smart background music. In practice, that means a 1-hour vlog edit can be done in a few clicks. Similarly, Opus Clip and others repurpose long videos into dozens of short-form clips automatically, surfacing the most watchable moments for TikTok and Reels. The 2025 YouTube tools lists highlight Opus Clip explicitly, automatically repurpose long videos into viral shorts. Even platforms like Descript let you edit by editing text, cutting out paragraphs deletes the corresponding footage. The net result is that the time spent slogging through timelines is vanishing. Creators can now batch produce polished videos and snackable shorts in a fraction of the old time. One instructional site even predicts that by 2025, solo creators will edit 90% of production via AI, a prediction that now looks spot on. Finally, even your channel analytics are getting an AI upgrade. YouTube Studio now has built-in AI like title A/B testing, in use 15 million times since 2023, and the aforementioned Ask Studio Insights chat. These make it trivial to test thumbnail title combos or ask why a video underperformed. Third-party tools are similarly smart. For example, Channel Crawler and ViewStats now offer AI-driven retention and CTR analysis to recommend improvements. In 2025, one guide emphasizes that creators who interpret AI impressions versus watch time conversion and tweak their hooks see big lifts. And it's working. Statistics show creators leveraging AI save huge amounts of time and boost engagement. A recent industry report found 71% of organizations now use AI in content, giving workers a 40% productivity boost. Content creators specifically report saving about 3 hours per video or article by using AI helpers. In other words, the mundane work, optimizing captions, testing titles, crunching stats, is increasingly automated, freeing creators to focus on what still needs human creativity. The evidence is clear. AI isn't a futuristic threat, it's already here, eating our lunch. Top channels are quietly stacking these tools. Some are fully faceless AI-run channels, pumping out high-volume content with no human in sight. Traditional editors and planners are scrambling. Even YouTube veterans like Charlie Chang confess they're preparing just in case their channels become irrelevant. One ex-YouTube exec was blunt. The very company that built the creator economy is now dismantling it with AI, making creators feel like they need pitchforks outside Google HQ. The bottom line is if you're not adopting these AI workflows, your competition or your own automated clone will lap you. The creators who wait to update their toolkits may soon find their growth plateaued or reversed, while AI-empowered channels soar. So, what's a creator to do? The industry whispers, wake up and adapt. Learn the AI tools shaping your niche, from writing prompts to editing shortcuts, or risk being left behind by those who do. Watch as data and AI continue to shift the advantage. If you take this wake-up call to heart and start leveraging AI now, you can amplify your creativity instead of being replaced by it. In 2026 and beyond, survival means working with AI as your silent partner, not against it. The future of YouTube content is here. Let's make sure you're part of it.